Get ready to explore the weird, the odd, the strange in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Sky?
Yes.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Adam?
Hi,
Nice
how
to
you
meet
doing?
you.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you,
Group
Simon.
hug?
Oh, group hug.
I feel like I'm at home.
Me too.
Welcome to
Wow.
our weird home.
Come on in. I mean, woolly mammoth, you walk in, you hear about all these crazy things, but you walk in and it kind of hits you right away with the smell first. And then you kind of smell like this, it smells like history, and it just brings all these, like, your senses, your 5 senses are working overtime. You've got a squirrel riding rodeo on a horse, as his squirrel buddy has a rifle, and these guys are cheering him on with the American flag. God bless America.
Read that sign right there.
Human gallstones. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. Like literally they came out of...
Oh yeah.
So this is a mummified pig fetus.
Correct. Well, yeah, a baby pig.
A baby pig. How did it die? Don't know.
Animals die naturally all the time on farms.
It looks like a duck. Like what kind of people come in here and I'm sure you have a lot of people that browse and they look and
Of course. Typically, it's people who would spend money on tattoos or would spend money on art. They're the ones who are going to buy a mummy pig. People who realize that they want an object that holds value, that, you know,
one of a kind.
one of a kind.
How did you and Adam meet? I'm really curious on how you and Adam like got together and fell in love and got married.
Do you want the PG version?
No, I want the real. I want the down home, dirty, nasty, weird, real. How did you guys?
Okay, the day I met Adam, well, maybe the day after, I asked him if he would mind taking naked pictures of me for this, you know, art performance piece I was doing. And then the same day he asked to borrow my car so he could go pick up roadkill to do this art piece he wanted to do. So it was like a match made in heaven.
I would love for a woman to one day be like, hey, do you mind if could you help me out and take some naked stills of me? And
I
I'd be
know,
like,
yes.
My name is Sheila. Yes, I'm real. Wow, I'm super fragile. Please don't touch me.
Well, you can touch her, Simon.
Hello, Sheila. Nice to meet you. Your pleasure.
Aw.
That was weird. I've never done that before.
What did the Australian optometrist tell the Cyclops with perfect vision?
What's that?
Good eye, mate. Boom! Drops the mic. I wrote that joke.
Bam! Alas, poor Yorick, lend me your ears.
He's a good-looking guy.
He's a good look. Yeah, Yorick.
Or
was
to be or not to be.
To be or not to be. And this guy was not to be.
Those things off to the left are pretty gross.
Human tissue biopsy samples. That is disgusting.
We also make some things that are in the store or adapt them, and Super Beaver is a prime example of that. Super Beaver was a swimming beaver. Now he's a flying beaver. The root of the word taxi, you know, taxi moves and dermy is skin. So taxidermy is literally just moving the skin off the animal and onto a mount.
Taxidermy. I learn something new every day. Yeah, are there some like sexy items here that besides these antique vibrators?
Well, I'm here.
That's for damn sure.
So this is a vibrator, but what's interesting, I think, about the vibrators is they actually have a medical background. So they were developed by physicians that were trying to treat hysterical women.
Right. I'm sure Sky hasn't been hysterical either.
Never.
Never.
Yeah.
Marriage is always bliss.
Exactly. I can't wait to get married.
It's the best.
Yes. What a great way to pick up women. Hey, honey, what do you see?
I know, right?
What do you see? And then you can tell if they're crazy or not.
Right? Well, maybe. You know what this is?
It's anal probe.
It's a bowel inducer, exactly.
What is that?
It
A bowel inducer? What? Where am I? They don't make anal plungers like they used to.
I don't know.
You kind of get speechless. You kind of get like, amazed. I've been all over the world, seen so many different things, and you just kind of like want to just sit here in the middle of your store and just kind of take in all the stuff.
We're open till 7.
I'll just lay down on the carpet here and just, oh yeah. I'm just taking in all the beautiness of it. Oh yeah. It's really cool. There's a really great energy just kind of sitting here. There's so much history in this room and like so much love. my gosh, look at this. We're not only bringing oddities to you guys, we're bringing you lots of love. And I'm not even trying to be funny right now. It does feel quite like loving right now.
Oh, you guys.
Love you guys, Sky and Adam. Everything is so normal these days. And you walk in there, you're like, wow, there's so much more that life has to offer.